Welcome to Sustainable Mindset for Success. Today, we are exploring something deeply profound, something that has quietly sustained a life for billions of years, the wisdom of nature. In a world rushing to innovate, we often forget that the most sustainable systems already exist in ecosystems. So today, let's uncover 5 powerful lessons from nature that can guide our lives, our businesses, and our survival on this planet. First lesson: there's no waste in nature. In a forest, when something dies, it becomes food for something else. Leaves fall, decompose, feed the soil, and nurture the next generation of life. Compare that to our throwaway culture. 2.01 billion tons of municipal solid waste are generated every year. But nature, it's the master of circular economy. Lesson: embrace circular systems. Reuse, recycle, and regenerate. Lesson 2: interconnection. In ecosystems, every species depends on others. Even tiny changes ripple across the web of life. Example: in Guam, brown tree snakes were introduced by humans. Birds went extinct. No birds meant no seed dispersal. Forests started dying. Lesson: our actions, even small ones, affect everything. We must design policies, systems, and products with these interconnections in mind. Nature's resilience lies in diversity. A diverse forest survives droughts, pests, and change. A monoculture, it collapses easily. Biodiversity ensures pollination, water purification, disease regulation, and climate stability. Lesson: whether it's your garden, your team, or your ideas, diversity equals strength. Ecosystems don't resist change, they adapt. Over time, nature tweaks, not resists, everything. It sheds what doesn't serve. It favors flexibility over force. Lesson: in our work and lives, we must be adaptable. Sustainable solutions evolve, not dominate. The biggest myths, yes, that nature is always at war. Truth is, collaboration is everywhere. Fungi help trees exchange nutrients. Coral reefs are built by partnerships. Wolves reintroduced to Yellowstone restored entire ecosystems. Lesson: collaboration drives sustainability. Businesses, governments, and individuals must align for systems to thrive. We rush, nature doesn't. It takes decades to grow a forest and milliseconds to destroy one. Lesson: sustainability means long-term thinking. Growth should be regenerative, not extractive. The biggest challenge we face today is not innovation, it's relearning the wisdom of nature. Engineers are now copying termites to design energy-efficient buildings. Doctors study soil microbes to boost immunity. Cities mimic wetlands to manage floods. The blueprint for sustainability is all around us. We just need to listen. What's one lesson from nature that inspires you most? Let me know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe if you believe our future lies in harmony with nature, not domination over it.